Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Lizzie TV. Hindi ka ba makakonect sa internet dahil malayo ang router sa workplace mo? Well then, ito na ang kasagutan using only one device, the Wi-Fi Repeater. So without further ado, let's start! Hello! Mag-unbox po tayo ng ating order sa Lazada. Ito po yung Wi-Fi Repeater. Tingnan po natin. Ayun. Wi-Fi Repeater. Naka-bubble wrap pa. Let's see. Tanggalin po natin ito. Okay. Kaya, let's see kung kumpleto ang laman sa loob. Sana yun? Yan. Meron pang tira. And in-order ko ito sa Lazada for only $299.50. Okay. Ayan. Yan yung loob niya. So, yan. Wireless Wi-Fi repeater. Natin. Okay. Anong meron sa loob? We have this. The Wi-Fi repeater. Yan. Meron din po siyang RJ45 cord. At ano pa to? Okay, tingnan natin. In English, yung kabilang side, it's the quick installation guide. Okay? So, we have the guide kung paano natin gagamitin. Mamaya, tingnan natin at testing natin kung paano yan. Let's proceed to Wi-Fi. Turn it on. Then we long press on the Wi-Fi button so we can see what are the available networks or wireless networks. Ayan. So, ngayon, connected ako sa isang network pero ang signal lang niya ay isa. Very low. Very poor ang signal niya. So, gagawin natin, we configure this repeater. Ito yung repeater natin. So, we long press here. And then, we click on Connect to Network. Okay. And then, nakalagay dito, Extender Wi-Fi settings, extend the signal of your home Wi-Fi network through the wall. So, login, user login, language is English. So, we click on login. Okay, repeater mode settings. So, piliin natin yung number 1, repeater mode settings. So, we click next. Yan. Select the Wi-Fi signal to be amplified or manually add a network. So, itong ating i-amplify na signal ay itong number 3. So, i-click natin number 3. And then, hihingan tayo ng PLDT, password. Anong password ng Wi-Fi natin na i-amplify o extend yung signal? So, i-login lang natin o i-type natin dito yung ating password. So, ito yung password ko. And click check to modify the wireless name of Wi-Fi extender. If it is not checked, the extension name is the default. So, hindi ko na yun i-check. I want the extension name as the default. So, I just click check here below yung blue. Okay, we click on next. And then, if you need to reset the Wi-Fi signal extender, please restore the device to factory settings. So we click on finish. Okay, complete extender Wi-Fi settings. Okay, setup is complete. Reconnect to the network after. Okay, so it's already loading here. Hanapin natin yung ating Wi-Fi repeater, yung may EXT sa dulo. So, ito yung may EXT. We click here, yung may EXT kasi hindi natin binago yung pangalan. So, yan na rin yun. And then, we type the password again. So, I'll type here the password. Okay, and then connect. Okay, so we are connected. Sabi dito, we are connected, and voila, this is it. Pwede na natin gamitin ang ating Wi-Fi repeater. Thank you.